Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be having a cook with me video and I'll be making banga soup or Akwu. So here I have my leftover banga. This is made from palm fruit. I used part of it yesterday and these are the left one. So I'll be putting this in this plate. The reason why I'm putting it inside the plate is because I'm going to be adding warm water to it. Yes, I like to dissolve it with warm water before I start cooking. So here is the palm fruit banga. So this is our banga made from palm fruit. Here I have salt, pepper, green pepper, onions, vegetable. I'm using this vegetable because as a mom in diaspora we don't have the real vegetable here, so I just want something, a touch of vegetable in my soup. Here I have chicken and here I have meat. Here I have tomato and it's time to cook. So friends, cook along with me. So to start with, I'm going to pour my hot water into the banga to dissolve it. So gently dissolve it. Sometimes you see like sounds like something inside, so when you dissolve it, it's easy for any particle to just stay at the bottom part of the plate and you don't have to pour it into the pot. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'll be having a cook with me video and I'll be making banga soup or Akwu. So here I have my ingredients, my basic ingredients. Here I have the banga itself made from palm fruits. Here I have green pepper, salt, pepper, onions, vegetable. I'm using this vegetable because as a mom in diaspora, I don't have the real vegetable, you know. So I'm just using a touch of vegetable in this soup. Here I have chicken, here I have meat, and here I have tomato. Friends, cook with me. Let the cooking begin. So to start with, I'll start by adding the chicken. I'll start by cooking the chicken. So people, at this point in time, I'm going to be adding the vegetable. Look at this. Check out our banga soup. Our delicious Akwu. Our soup is ready. Wow, look at this. Delicious banga soup. Guys, check out the soup. The aroma alone is something else. Our delicious banga soup is ready, and it's time to dish. My tummy is very hungry. So guys, check out our delicious banga soup. Our soup at this point in time is ready. It is time to dish this delicious banga soup Akwu. So people, it is time to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share. Our banga soup is, please like, share. Our banga soup is ready. Look at this. This is looking so yummy. Thank you all for watching. I'm going to turn off the heat. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Delicious banga soup Akwu. Yummy looking banga soup.